I'm going to the gym today. I had such a busy morning. Like, sobrang dami kong calls and meetings. So, parang sobrang sumakit yung ulo ko. And I was thinking, baka hindi ako maka-gym. Pero, I've been doing so well for this entire month na dire-diretso ako mag-gym. So, I told myself, I can't. I don't know if that's a better lighting. And, na-notice ko with my vlogs lately, sobrang lakas nung tunog ng aircon. I'm so sorry. What I was saying is, not feeling very well kanina. Feeling ko kasi nabigla yung head ko. Like, sobrang daming calls and so many meetings. So, I don't know, my head just started hurting. So, I was thinking if I wasn't gonna be able to go to the gym. Kaso sayang naman because it's already Thursday. And for the past 3 weeks, I have been very consistent and I just like the feeling as well. I think yun yung malaking change na ginawa ko from the past few years. Like, you may not really see changes immediately, pero you kinda do start feeling it in your body. So, feeling ko nandun ako sa stage na yun na I'm just feeling it in my body. I'm feeling a lot more energized and parang mas madali akong gumalaw. Like, you know, my gym is like on the 3rd floor. So, just going up the stairs is so hard. And it should not be hard at this stage in my life. Dapat hindi ako napapagod sa ganung flight of stairs. Pero nung nag-start ako, sobrang nakakapagod siya. Nakakahiya. Pero nakakapagod siya. Like, yung mga trainers ko doon, they would always be like, oh, hinihingal ka na naman. And then I noticed how, like, sobrang bilis nung shift na lately. I've been doing so well. Like, I don't pant as much. So, yun, I just enjoy the changes internally. I feel like it may not be super visible, but yeah. So, I'm gonna go to the gym. I brought my bottle again. I'm excited to go get buko. Yun, I'll try to vlog as much as I can as usual. I'll see you there. Earlier, pero I'm just gonna try to hold the camera because maybe it will be better with the audio because the aircon for some reason is so loud. I am now finished with the gym and I am now at the buko place. I'm so excited to get my buko fix. Okay, I got the goods. So one is again in this bottle and then this jug. So for these two, can you believe it's only 55 pesos. So parang 2 liter na yan. Oh, I forgot. I am gonna go pick up my laundry pala today. So that's fun. At least I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone by going to the gym and running a quick errand. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy milk now kasi medyo paubos na naman yung milk ko. Pero yun. So far, that's just my last agenda outside. And then I'm gonna see what else am I gonna be able to vlog today. So okay, I just picked up my laundry and I'm now on the way home. I'm so excited to shower. By the way, I am currently listening to my friend's new single. It's called Soft Launch. So I'm gonna leave his Spotify down below if you are into looking for a fresh new artist or new song. Check him out. I don't know if you can see me very well, but I can see you. So I am using my laptop as my light. So apologies if nag-glare kasi hindi ko na kayo makita without my glasses. Anyway, as I've mentioned, I think this vlog is gonna be on the shorter side per usual because I don't really have much activities for the past few days. It's only been house, gym, and church, which I'm not complaining about. So I figured to end my short vlog today, I'm gonna share with you my updated hygiene gym kit. And I'm sorry if I look awful because this is the best I got. Anyway, meron talaga akong gym bag, which is this one. So it's, I'm not sure if it's really a gym bag or whatnot, pero nakita niyo na to sa Singapore vlog ko. This is the travel bag that I used. So, ito lang yung may parang strap sa likod na I really like. I switched to this one kasi medyo structured siya. Again, I'm sorry if you're hearing so much random noises. I'm in an area that's so noisy. Anyway, switch to this bag because it's a little bit more structured than my Reebok bag. You know how typical gym bags is like very lousy and then parang bagsak lang siya. So this one kasi parang as you can tell, it's a bit structured. So anything else in here, wala naman masyado. I just have my extra shirt and towel. These are the stuff that I carry all the time at the gym. So number one, I have like a big wet wipes. Actually, ang daming dala ng mom ko na ganito. And nung una, I was thinking, what do I use it for? Because usually I go for the mini wet wipes kasi nga I like carrying a small bag. But since I'm back with my Muay Thai since I'm back with my Muay Thai training, usually after training, sobrang dumi ng paa ko. So I use this kind of wet wipes to just wipe it off. Kasi nga, after going a few rounds, I still do lifting and whatnot. So, much better na may wet wipes ako. Although you can wash naman sa CR, pero kasi mahahassle ka pa na nabasa yung paa mo and everything. So, I prefer to use wipes and then saka ako magwa-wash when I'm actually done. Okay lang naman since malaki naman yung bag ko or my gym bag is quite big anyway, so I just put this. Then, let's move on to my updated hygiene kit. So, it's quite bulky and this is from my Reebok bag. I have found my love and appreciation for these kinds of like toiletry bags ba? Yung may ganito. Sorry if you guys are moving again. It has this one. Kasi nga, one thing I've noticed when I'm traveling is there are a lot of bathrooms that don't have like a table or like a console where you can put your bags or whatever. So having like hooks or maybe like an open door concept bathroom is very helpful, lalo na if you have like this. So sasabit mo na lang. So it's a lot because again, sometimes I do boxing, I do Muay Thai, or I just do lifting. And also this bag in my gym bag, naiiwan siya always sa car. If sometimes merong mga biglaang overnight or like I use it as well for traveling. It's not super maayos. So this is what I call my overnight kit. Kahit naka-ziplock lang siya. I prefer using a ziplock kasi nga for safety na din. Kasi just in case, if you can see, everything here is liquid. Here, my toothbrush and toothpaste. I have a small feminine wash and breath spray. Then these two are my facial wash and then shampoo. Itong bottles na to, you can get them from Miniso, I think. So I'm just using a doctor sensitive one. As you can tell, yung parang ganyang clear soap. And then this one is just Rejoice. Another Ziploc bag. Kasi naman, these are just disposable. So I always carry a bunch of like liners and napkins just in case. And I have disposable underwear. there, as you can see. Yung mga ganito kong disposable underwear, I rarely even use them. It's oftentimes my friends need them, so nagdadala pa rin talaga ako just in case. I have a box of rubber bands lately. As you can tell from my gym vlogs, I've been really into like tying my hair a lot, and it's because I don't know, it just makes me feel good as well, like just putting your hair up and all. And then when I was a kid, I loved collecting a bunch of these. So yeah, nilagay ko lang siya sa dati tong mask box. Then I have obviously alcohol. Next is this one. Dapat nandito siya sa mga parang overnight pouch. This is a body wash actually na I use for hand soap kasi the past few months walang soap yung mga CR na napupuntahan ko. So I just bring this. It's so cute. It's a shell. I got it from SM Department Store. And I have my facial wet wipes kasi nga, again, may mga times na yung CR wala talagang water. So I really, after training kasi I'm really used to wiping my face or washing my face. So I need to bring this. Or for example, like, the whole day naka-makeup ako and then I go to the gym. Syempre gusto ko siyang tanggalin. Ito nga yung sinasabi ko, hindi to pwedeng mawala. Wet wipes and tissue. Then I have etong tandem na to. I have a sunblock which is from Lux Organics. Pero mas prefer ko talaga yung tinted sunscreen nila. Because that one for some reason much lighter siya sa face. Ito, you best believe meron siyang white cast. So, pwede siya siguro pag nagsaswimming or yan, pag nag-workout ka lang. Pero I wouldn't suggest it under your makeup because it really has a really bad white cast. And then this one is a blush. Yes, I still do carry a blush because after training or after I wash my face, I put on sunscreen. Syempre, sobrang puti ng face mo, so you can like add a little bit of blush. And I super love this one. This is from Detail Cosmetics. Ganyan siya. This is in the shade Flamingo. Oh my god, I love this shade. Sobrang cute niya lang. Sobrang bubblegum pink yung color niya. Then, meron pa akong extra facial wash. So, pag nasa gym ako, this is what I use. This is the kind na parang, yung like, foamy compared to this one. Kasi meron akong gentle wash, tas meron ako yung parang talagang foam wash. Sorry na wala yung light. Kasi I'm just using my laptop. I obviously must have a gum. Because if you remember yung sinabi ko sa inyo during my Singapore vlog, I always need to have a gum. I think even when it comes to training, parang may mga times na nahihilo ko or may mga times na I need to like focus, so I just like pop in a gum. Next one are these two. Hindi ko sinasadya na from the same brand sila, pero I love these two. This one is my hairstyling mist. So if hindi ka naligo the day before, you can just spritz it on your head and it has like UV protection and whatnot. So anything, the past few months, I noticed na anything with UV protection, yun yung parang nadodrawn ako na product. So whether that's for hair, sa lips, sa face, yun. So I got this one. I use it a lot. And then since sabi ko nga na I've been loving like fixing my hair lately sa gym, I bought this styling stick. Okay naman siya. It smells exactly the same. So I use this like every day sa gym. I have two types of like brushes or comb. Like this one is from Wet Brush, and this one is just from some random hotel. I think when we went to Twin Lakes nung wedding ng brother ko. So hindi naman talaga ako nagko-comb, pero na-realize ko nga since I started like fixing my hair a lot sa gym, I figured much better na may comb ako. And then this one, sayang kasi nga, I really love this brand. And I bought it because I like carrying small bags lately. But I noticed, dinadala ko na yung malaking wet brush ko. So sabi ko, sayang naman if hindi ko siya magamit. Because this is still pretty much expensive for this tiny. So I figured, ilagay ko siya sa gym bag ko or toiletries bag ko at least. In case iwanan ko yung malaking version niya, I have a proper brush. This is like 12 minutes. Feeling ko kaya kong gawing 6 minutes to sa pag-edit. Anyway, that is everything on my hygiene kit, my updated gym hygiene kit, and that is the ref. I hope you enjoyed this vlog somehow. I will try to not make it too long and not too short. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again on my next one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.